In order to bypass restrictions on platforms and avoid blockages on platforms, this is the reason why I'm going to do this video, to show you guys how to avoid all these things whilst you're trying to make sign-ups, join platforms, and then make money online as an affiliate marketer or CPA marketer. You know, on this channel we teach people how to make money online, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and anything related to making money online. My name is Richie and welcome back to Daily Riches. And if today happens to be your first time, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video, YouTube will send notifications instantly, guys. And I will leave the link to this platform in the description box and the pinned comment section, and including my promo code. When you use it, you are going to get some percentage off whilst using my promo code DRICH15. Let's get down to business. So this platform is known as ProxySeller.com. ProxySeller.com. I'll leave the link to the description box and then pinned comment section, like I said earlier on. So this platform is very neat. You can see the interface is very neat, and the proxies over here are very much affordable. So let me jump you straight to the way of signing up for an account. So if you want to sign up for an account, you know there is no sign up button or the top section you can see over here. So all you need is to go to the section where it says all you need is to go to the section where it says login. So you click on this login button. So once you click on that, you just wait for it to load, and you can see the sign up button is over here. So if you want to sign up, all you need is to click on this section where it says sign up. Click on this sign up button and enter your valid email address. You know, this email address is an email that you have an access to, so we'll have to click on this to enter your valid email address. And then after entering your email address, all you need is to go back and then hit on this section where it says create sign up. Or you can use your Gmail, of which I would always recommend for you guys, use your Gmail to create an account. So we click on this section where it says Gmail over here. This is much secured as compared to you trying to you know, sign up with a lot of complicated details. So on this platform, after creating an account, you know, it's not all that easy for you to go or jump into conclusion. So you know, these are the things that they have on the dashboard after creating an account. So your password, you have to change your password or choose a new password over here, and then you submit over here. So that is very simple. And one thing I love about this platform is that they have a lot of proxies over here. They have the proxy IP or V4, sorry, and they have the V6, and then they have the ISP or internet service providers over here. You can see over here they have all the continents being listed over here, and then they have the residential proxies and the mobile proxies. So if you're being on this channel, you know, or you always understand all these proxies, what they do. And then if you don't understand, just hit me up and then I'll give you a full detail about that. But this is not the all over here. So go to this section where it says profile. So after creating an account, all you need is to create and verify your KYC. The KYC verification is very much important to secure your account. Verify your KYC on this platform. Now after doing that, all you need is to go to the section where it says proxies. So you have to choose the type of proxies that you want. If you talk about residential proxy, you are talking about a residential proxy is a proxy that tells a person where exactly they are. So if I just want to be on the internet as if I'm a resident of United States. That's residential proxies. And then we have the proxies that are mainly for just mobile devices, and they have all the types of proxies that you want as an mobile user. So this is it. So let's go to this section where it says 3 days trial. Click on that, and then one thing I love about this platform is that you can redeem your promo code. So just click on this section and then enter just enter this promo code. I'll place it at the description box. Okay, just enter it like D. Okay, D rich. Just copy and paste. Sorry guys. Okay, so it says active. So we are going to give cut some off. All right, so payment method, you have a lot of payment method over here like PayPal, Visa card, or MasterCard, USDT, TRC20, USDC, and all those stuffs you can see over here. And if you have your balance or money in your account, this is going to show over here that you can use your existing amount in your account to purchase the proxies. So right after all these things, just enter the promo code I gave you, and then hit on submit the order. So let's submit the order over here. So let's choose any of these payment methods. So just enter it and then hit the submit the order right over here. So it's going to load a lot and then bring out the payment method dashboard for you guys to continue with the payment. All right, so after getting the proxies, all you need is to get a or an anti-detect browser. This is very, very important, because if you don't have all these things, that means the proxies are going to be of no use. So you have to get yourself an anti-detect browser, of which I will use this browser called AdsPower. Okay, all right, so this is AdsPower, and you have to also create an account, and then I'll leave the link to AdsPower also in the description box, but not in the pinned comment section. So you can see over here, this is AdsPower, and all you need is to go to the section where it says proxies. Okay, go to proxies, and when you click on proxies, this is it. So let me close this. Let me go to proxies. So on AdsPower dashboard, all you need is to go to the section where it says proxies. Okay, so on proxy section, all you need is to add a proxy. Okay, click on this add proxy, and you can see the HTTP. When you go to the dashboard, you can see they have different types of proxies. So let me go straight to the dashboard. All right, so on a more serious note, the more you buy the IPs, the more they'll reduce it for you. So let's take it that you want this 7.1. Okay, let's start from the smaller one or the cheapest one. So you can see one IP is equals to $3 over here. And remember to use my promo code. And the more you increase it, the more they will reduce the price for you. So if I go to this section like buying 50 IPs, okay, you can see it's going out for with 100 IPs it's supposed to be $300, and you can see over is 255. So if I enter my promo code right now, like DRich15 over here, they are going to slash some of the price down. So you can see they've reduced the price to 217. So remember always to use my promo code to get some cashback or slash down with this platform. I always recommend, and I will always recommend this platform because it's 100% legit. So after buying your proxies, all you need is to go to your AdsPower. You can just copy all the details, paste them here, and it's automatically going to check it for you. And if you don't want and you want to do it manually, of which you can also do it manually on this platform. Don't forget to like the video, and this is best proxy servers that I've ever seen. I've been using proxy servers for a lot of things on the internet, and one of these is this platform that I'm going to recommend for you guys. They have proxies for social media, web scrapping, gaming, sneaker websites, and then online marketplace and other purpose proxies. And you can see over here they have a lot of programs on this platform. I love much about this platform. Yes, I love them, and their interface is very, very simple and nothing complicated on this platform. Okay, so you don't have to worry much about how to configure it. And if you go to the review section, they have a lot of stars being reviewed. Yes, they have positive reviews on Trustpilot and all those stuffs, so you don't have to worry much about if they are going to scam you, whether it's legit or not. You have to always go with the method I've showed you in this video, and don't forget to use my promo code to get some reduction on the prices. So as it is right now, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop an amazing video like this, YouTube will send notifications timely, guys. See you in my next video. Stay safe and peace out.